The AXC scraper wiper family, manufactured in the United States by Martin Fluid Power, is the first of a new generation of press in exclusion seal assemblies. AXC assemblies make it easy to incorporate a sophisticated exclusion seal solution that will significantly enhance cylinder reliability. AXC-type scraper wipers are based around a ductile metal scraper that delivers a cleaving force capable of breaking the adhesive bonds of strongly attached contaminants. The assembly is designed to permit partial disassembly, allowing for inspection, cleaning, and component replacement. AXC scraper wiper assemblies are comprised of a high-performance metal rod scraper and an X-Pac XP cup rod wiper, all housed in a coated metal cage. We'll step through each of these components to call out some of the unique design elements of this high-performance package. Beginning with the A-Series rod scraper, which is based on the MS28776 industry standard rod scraper. This is a high-performance rod scraper designed to deliver a cleaving force to the surface of the rod, to shear away contaminants that have formed a strong adhesive bond with the surface. The metal scraper also performs a burnishing action, progressively conditioning the rod to help offset the effects of wear, damage, and deterioration. The small amount of height that the scraper occupies in the assembly is part of what makes it possible to offer such a high level of performance in a small assembly. AXC assemblies are available for 5/16, ½ inch, 3/8, and 3/4 inch heights for rod sizes up to 8 inches, while additionally, standalone A-Series scrapers are available for rod sizes up to 600 millimeters. A two-piece sub-assembly can be used to replace a worn scraper. By removing the snap ring and backing out the old scraper can be removed from the rod. The two hemispheres of the new scraper can then be fitted onto the rod, the new spring aligned to and worked into the groove on the body of scraper halves, and then the ends installed into notch on the body. The next component in the assembly we'll examine is the X-Pac XP Loaded U-Cup wiper. This polymer U-Cup also offers a high level of performance in a very small form factor, especially with respect to axial height. The loading of the U-Cup with the X-ring expander delivers superior wiping performance within a very small envelope. Several compounds and grades of urethane and TPE are available to allow the configuration to be fine-tuned to each environment. Materials for a wide range of operating temperature ranges are available, and should a standard material not fit your requirement, MFP Seals offers custom compounding in qualified situations. The entire assembly is contained within a robust, custom machined metal cage. The extraordinary scraping and wiping performance delivered by these small components are mainly achieved as a result of the high levels of radial loading produced by the main components. This results in higher static or breakout friction, which, if not properly catered for, could lead to a force out. But AXC assemblies are configured with a large holding interference, protecting against a force out. The contents of the assembly, housed in the metal cage, are kept in place by an industry standard retaining ring. This allows for the scraper to be backed out with the extension of the rod, for inspection, cleaning, and even to allow for the replacement of the scraper. A two-piece, A-Series scraper comprising a scraper body, cut into two hemispheres, allows the scraper to be replaced without the removal of the clevis or rod end. Hydro-Wipe AXC seals from Martin Fluid Power, clean rods of tough contaminants, are easy to install and are field serviceable. Manufactured in the United States, AXC scraper wipers are the first of a new generation of press in exclusion seals that allow hydraulic and pneumatic cylinders to be operated in harsh environments. Thank you for time, and we look forward to working with you too. Seal in your success.